I'd never seen Honk before, but now I want to go away and I want to listen to all of the music again and again and again. I really love the frog song, Warts and All. I think it's a really great message.
I love the show. Great ensemble, fantastic energy. Everyone was so committed, unbelievable talent.
I thought it was phenomenal. I thought it was really beautiful. The bit when the rain came out of the umbrellas, beautiful.
My favourite part of the show was, I think, everything. I would shout and be like, Mom, today was the best school trip.
I thought it was a great show. I thought it was really good for teaching tolerance, for teaching understanding, for celebrating differences. I think it's massively layered. I think there's great things for kids. I think there's definitely jokes for adults.
Yeah, the design's really beautiful. It's proper original and just really, yeah, it's really quirky and cool. It's lovely.
So many things that you can just enjoy. Anyone can enjoy because it's just really irreverent and lovely.
It was amazing. That was